Okay, no problem. Yeah, this fucking business back here. Fuck. Place booming, man.
What's up? What's good food and all kind. Man, all the things.
Hey, man. It's your boy Tension. We fucking back, man. Hey, this one here. Hey, a little excited for that. As I see the beginning, we had a whole process, man. We got to see the kitchen, every fuck, man. Customer service was fucking A1, man. We here at this spot called Raga Veggie Van on the fucking beach, man. Let me show you what it is we get here. God damn. Listen. Put the camera on me. Listen. This man give me one of everything that I like. One of everything to try. Like, this shit here looks so fucking good. Like, listen. We gonna see what's going on, man. Taste the roast. Man, listen. Cassava. Some sweet potato. Pumpkin. Rice and lentil peas and some. Tofu. Fucking god damn. Pea bar. Dog. A man say, Najee with the best vegan spot on the island. You know, if you a gay, keeping this spot here, right, but Najee's I love you, you know. Cause it tastes good, but this spot cover I beat by far, man. Raga Food Van have to be the best vegan spot on Rock right now, man. So shout out to Raga, everybody come down on the beach, Brewers, and I'm tapping, man. It's your boy Tension checking the fuck out. Yeah.